हेलो नमस्कार, खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम JV'n Dr. Shahnawaz Alam, Assistant Professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about Keynesian approach for money and inflation instruments of control. Keynesian economics is an economic theory of total spending in the economy and its effect of output and inflation. Keynesian economics was developed by the British economist James during the 90s, 1930s in the attempt to understand the Great Depression. Keynesian advocated for increased government expenditures and lower taxes to stimulate demands and pull the global economy out of the depression. Subsequently, Keynesian economics was used to refer to the concept of optimum economic performance could be achieved an economic slump prevented by influencing aggregate demand through activist stabilizations and economic intervention policy by the governments. Previously, classical economic thinking held that cyclical swing in employment and economic output would be modest and self-adjusting. According to this classical theory, if aggregate demand in the economy failed, the resulting weakness in production and job would participate a decline in price and wages. A lower level of inflation and wage would induce employment to make capital investments and employ more people, stimulating employment and restoring economic growth. The depth and severity of the Great Depression, however, severely tested the hypothesis. Keynes rejected the idea that the economy would return to a natural state of equilibrium. Instead, he argued that once an economy downturn set in for the whatever reasons, the fear and gloom that it indigenous among business and investor will tends to become self-fulfilling and can lead to a sustained period of depressed economic activity and unemployment. In response to this, Keynes advocated a counter-cycle fiscal policy in which during period of economic woes, the government should undertake deficit spending to make up for the decline in investment and boost consumer spending in order to specialize aggregate demand. Keynes also criticized the idea of expressive saving unless it was for a specific purpose such as retirement or, or education. He saw it as dangerous for economy because the more money sitting stagnant, the less money in the economy stimulating growth. This was another of Keynes' theories geared towards preventing deep economic depressions. Thank you.